Hey guys, so how are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. So I'm back with another episode of Let's Code. So today we will be going through the while loops. I have covered the for loops earlier with range, and today we will have for loop. We will have while loops along with continue and break statements. So let's get started. So before I jump right into the coding part, I would like you to understand what while loop is. So while loops basically are it always looks for a condition. There should be a condition. If for example, while name is not equals to your name, then it should be true or false. Okay, it should do something. So while loop has a same as for loops, while loops have a few um, you know components that makes a while loop altogether. So there is a while keyword, and then there is a condition. Okay, and then there is an a colon, ending with a colon, and then a phrase will be there. So just to demonstrate how it will look like, I will show you this. Okay, so it will be something like this: while answer equals to this, then this, then this. Okay, it goes something like this. So what happens is, you go to part one, you see, okay, I have a my answer is not there. If answer is not equals to true, right? So it could be any value, right? If I say while answer is less than, while answer is equal to yes, if while answer equals to yes, then it will print along the lines whatever there is in a list, or whatever there is in a grocery list, and so forth and so on. So this is how actually while loop looks like. So there is one more thing. If you while loops could be dangerous. I mean, don't use while loops unless you actually have to. So we will do this while loop in our Python ideally here. So if you don't have it installed, you can install it. You can go to python.org, and also I will put a link for all the for all the OS types, so you can download ideally. So we will actually work with this. So now how to do this? So we will say name is equals to this and this. Okay, I'm just writing it as a blank. I'm not assigning any value, and I will say while name is not equals to your name. It actually auto indents, so this should not be a problem. We can I've actually done some issue with that, so I will just add this, and it should not be 16, it should be somewhat around 4 spaces, and okay, so I will just do it again. So this is 4 spaces. Okay, so you're learning ideally along with your Python programming. Okay, so what we will do here, I will say print, I will just print tell me your name. Okay, tell me your name, and it's gonna tell me my name. No, not really. I will say name is equals to input, and now what I want to do is print thank you note. One second. And now when I hit function F5, okay, I think I have to save it somewhere. So I will just save it somewhere on my desktop actually. Then I will do. I'll just do it in somewhere. Projects, not projects. Actually, Python tutorial. I will save it here, right? And I will name it as while.py. Okay, and I will say, tell me your name. I'll say Himanshu. Himanshu. So if I say your name, thank you, bravo. So you learned how actually the while loop is working here. Okay. So yeah, so just if you don't understand how it came up over here, when I save the file, I just hit function and F5. So as soon as you hit Fn plus F5, it will just go over there. Okay. So this should just execute your program, right? Now after this we will move to something we call as a break statement, right? So I will just close this file and I will make a new file here. This is weird, my Python goes off to a different screen all the time, so pardon me for this. Okay, so how we will implement a break statement. So as I said, first add a shebang line and say slash user slash bin slash python 3. Okay, so this will make your, if you take this program anywhere, it will say, okay, python 3 is the interpreter that I'm supposed to use. Okay, so actually all the programs that we will create, they will be made using python 3. Okay, so now here we go with the break statement, how the break statement works. So break statements, actually break statement, as the name suggests, it will actually break at one particular time. Okay, I mean going to a particular set of the instruction. If they are true, it will say, okay, timeout, just break the or just stop the execution of the program. So that's how the python break statement works. You can also use break statement with if. We can also use a break statement with for, like if you don't want to kill your program at the midst of anything. But speaking but using, you can use break statement with while, and you can use continue statement as well. So we will be checking how to use the continue statements and break statements with while. So first is the continue statement. So what I will do, I will just put a comment and I will say while with break. Now what I will say while. So while, actually the continue and break actually works when it's true, when you have a true condition and when you have a false condition. Okay, so I will say while true. Okay, I'm saying while true, and make sure that you have this this written like this, always a caps, always a capitalized letter. And I will say while true, print please type your name. Okay, now I will say name input, name equals to input. Now what I will say, I have asked the name. Now I will check a condition. If name is equals to your name, right? If name is equals to your name, then break, right? Else I want it to continue. Yes, so we will be using both while with break and continue, right? Okay, so does this make sense? And what I want to do at the end, I will say print, hey, your name is, I will say name. Okay, now I will save it first, and I will save it at the very same location where it went to. It's supposed to be here. in the Python tutorials, I will say while underscore continue underscore break. Okay, so now I will save it, and as I saved it, I will just hit function and F5, and okay, it restarted my program. Now it says what's your name, type your name. I will say Imanshu. Okay, it continued, right? Now I will say Jacob. Okay, I will say your name, right? It's some case sensitivity is still here, so I will say your name. Hey, your name is your name. It broke, right? The statement actually went ahead. I mean, the Python stopped the execution of statement as soon as I put your name as my name here. Okay, so this is how you actually work. Actually, make use of break and continue. Okay, also one thing, you can also use this break statement and continue statement along with in the for loop, but you have to have some condition over here. So it is like two conditions at the same time. I mean, you are also using a if else statement, and you're also using a while true statement. I have actually covered the if else statement in the video with control flow statement, so you can check it out. I will just put the link in the description. Okay, so I hope you guys understood what I have tried to teach you here today, and if you do have any questions or anything anywhere you got stuck, just feel free to comment in the comment section, and also make sure you do subscribe to the channel. So till then, I will see you the next time. Okay, so take care and be safe. Bye bye.